Excuse me. Good afternoon, sir. I need your help. Please. I am a tourist. Do you speak English?
Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, I can speak English. Welcome to my country. How can I help you?
Oh, great. I have been walking for many hours and I couldn't find anyone. I mean, I couldn't find anyone who speaks English with me. I am happy to find you.
Well, since it's not our first language, not many people here speak an advanced English. Happily, I have studied this language for many years and I try to practice every day. That's why I could love to help you because this way I can practice my English. By the way, what is your name?
I am David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Thanks. What is your name?
My name is Morris and I am a police officer.
It's nice to meet you, Morris. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. Tell me, how can I help you?
That's cool. I am looking for a place to stay over there. I arrived this morning here and I couldn't find a cheap hotel.
Sure, there is one cheap hotel near here, right on that corner.
What corner? I'm sorry, but I don't know this place very well.
Oh, alright. You just go straight ahead, turn right, and there you will find it. I have a friend who is working there. You can tell him that you are sent by me, and then he will help you.
It's pleasure to meet you, Marco, and thank you in advance because I also need you to tell me where I can exchange some dollars I have. Please.
I remember there was an exchange house right over there, but it is not open now. But I know other money exchange house. It's in the mall. So you can go to the mall for that. But it's a little far.
That's okay. I can take a taxi. Okay, bye. See you soon.
Okay, bye bye.